Hello guys, I want to show you how you can generate these hyper realistic images using AI. Yeah, these are images, portraits that I generated for myself using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how you can realize this. Yeah, with this, you don't need to spend money going to a studio in order to take a portrait for yourself. If you just know the tool that I'll be using and you have the right prompts, then you can generate a hyper realistic image for yourself. So right away, let's go to Google. Alright, so here I'll be using this site, Google AI Studio. Yeah, this is what I'll be using, Google AI Studio. So you click open. Alright, so this is where we are now. As you can see, all you need to do is just to type your prompts and it will generate the image that you want. Now let's say we want to generate an image of a woman in a village carrying a basket going to the farm. That is the image we want to generate, and in order for you to do this, you need the right prompt. But I'm going to show you how you can generate your prompts. All you need to do is to go to ChatGPT. Okay, now you type just say, give it a command that generate an image of a woman in a village carrying generate a prompt, not an image, a prompt of a woman in a village carrying a basket and going to the farm with a child on her back and the other on her hand. Alright, so let's see the prompt that will be generated from here. Alright, so this is a prompt that have been generated. So all you need to do is just to copy it. You copy it, and then now you go to Google AI Studio and paste the prompts. Then you click on the upload button. Let's see what it will generate from here. Alright, look at what has been generated here. Okay, so this is what has been generated, even though the photo is not like, if you see the child is facing forward. Alright, now let us do another task. What I will do now, we just upload my photo here. Alright, so this is my photo that I've uploaded. Let me just type a random prompt that generate a hyper realistic portrait with red background and put me in suit. Yes, let's see what it will give. Alright, so this is what that's given. That is the portrait. Now let me see. Do some modifications. Change the background to plain. Make my feet visible. Okay, so you have seen what it has generated, right? So with this you can generate your portraits. You don't need to go to any studio to take photos. All you need to do is to get a right prompt, you paste here, and your portrait is being developed. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.